Welcome to mathematics class, straight line part 5. So in continuation with the last class, let us solve some more problems from the exercise 3B, Roman number 2. Very important problem. Transform the following equations into a slope-intercept form and normal form. We have to transform the given following equations into these three forms. First one, slope intercept form, వాలు అంతరఖండ రూపం, intercept form, అంతరఖండ రూపం, నార్మల్ ఫామ్, అభిలంబ రూపం. ఇచ్చిన సరళ రేఖను మూడు రూపాలలోకి రూపాంతరం చెందించాలి. We have to transform the given equations in three forms. Now let us take up the first equation. The given equation is 3x 4y is equal to 5. So the first form, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. వాలు అంతరఖండ రూపం. వాలు అంతరఖండ రూపము. So this is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So this form is slope intercept form. We have to convert the given equation into this form. The left side should be y and right side x term and constant. So this is the slope intercept form. ఇది ఈ రూపంలోకి మార్చాలి. ఎట్లా ఉంది ఇది? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ y మాత్రమే ఉండాలి, రైట్ సైడ్ x టర్మ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ వచ్చేటట్టు దీన్ని we have to rearrange, we have to transform the given equation. The given equation is in general form. 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 అనేది సాధారణ రూపంలో ఉంది, ax plus by plus c రూపంలో ఉంది. So we have to convert this general equation of straight line into slope intercept form. వాలు అంతరఖండ రూపంలోకి సరళ రేఖ సాధారణ సమీకరణాన్ని మార్చాలి. అంటే y is equal to mx plus c రూపంలోకి మార్చాలి. So y term should be in the left side. So keep the y term in the left side and bring the x term right side. 3x becomes minus 3x and 5 is already in right side. So now left side only y should be there. So to remove 4, we have to divide the entire equation, dividing all the terms by 4. So dividing with 4, all the terms divide with 4. So we get y left side and minus 3 by 4 into x, that is mx, and 5 by 4, that is c. So now this is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. This form is called slope intercept form, where the x coefficient minus 3 by 4 is the slope, that is m value, and 5 by 4 is the y intercept. Now there is another question, another form, that is intercept form. We have to convert the same equation into intercept form. Antarakanda Rupam. Intercept form. Antarakanda Rupam. What is intercept form? X by a plus y by b, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the intercept form. So we have to convert the given general form into the intercept form. What is the given equation? Now, the given equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. 3x 4y is equal to 5. Observe this intercept form. The right side 1 should be there. In right side of this intercept form, 1 is there. So to make right side 1, we have to divide by 5. Divide all the terms by 5. So dividing by 5. So to make right side 1 equal to 1, we have to divide with 5. So by dividing 5, this can be written as 3 comes 5 by 3, 3 becomes 5 by 3 plus y by 4 becomes 5 by 4 and 5 by 5 is 1. Now it is in the form of intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where the denominator of first fraction, x denominator, 5 by 3 is the a value, that is x intercept, and the y denominator 5 by 4 is the y intercept. X హారము 5 by 3 x అంతరఖండము, 5 by 4 y అంతరఖండం అవుతుంది. సో ఇది అంతరఖండ రూపం. అంతరఖండాలు ఏంటివి? x అంతరఖండం a, that is x intercept. Here 5 by 4. The b is y intercept, that is, so this is 5 by 3. So b value 5 by 4. And the last form, normal form. The last one, normal form. So all these forms are different forms of straight line. తెలుగులో అభిలంబ రూపము అంటారు. So it is x cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to p. So this is the normal form of a straight line. ఇది సరళ రేఖ యొక్క అభిలంబ రూపం అంట. ఇచ్చిన రేఖను ఈ రూపంలోకి మార్చాలి. ఇన్ దిస్ p is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the given straight line. ఇచ్చిన సరళ రేఖకు మూల బిందువు నుండి గీసినటువంటి లంబ దూరము p అవుతుంది. Alpha is the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis, in the positive direction of x-axis. x అక్షం ధన దిశలో ఈ లంబ దూరం, లంబము, మూల బిందువు నుండి రేఖకు గీసిన లంబము చేసే కోణము ఆల్ఫా. So now let us take down the given equation. So given equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 is in general form. ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణం సాధారణ రూపంలో ఉంది. Now let us compare this equation with ax plus by or plus c is equal to 0. Here a value 3 and b value 4. A and b are coefficients of x and y in the given equation. So in normal form, we calculate the r value, that is under root a square plus b square. Here the a value 3 and b value 4. So a square plus b square, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16, 25, root 25 is 5. So the r value here, that is under root a square plus b square, is 5. So we have to divide all the xy terms with under root a square plus b square, and right side should be positive value. So let us name it as equation 1. Now dividing. So dividing equation 1 with, that is r value a square plus b square, that is 5. Now we get 3x by 5 and 4y by 5 and 5 by 5. So we are dividing with the under root a square plus b square value. This will give the normal form. So now x into 3 by 5, y into 4 by 5 is equal to 1. Now compare this with cos alpha, x cos alpha, y sin alpha is equal to p. Here comparing this, cos alpha is 3 by 5, sin alpha is 4 by 5, and p value is 1. So we have to calculate the alpha angle. So with this You can write tan alpha is nothing but sin alpha by cos alpha. So 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. 5 will get cancelled. This is 4 by 3. So tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3 implies alpha is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3 is the angle, and this p value is 1 and alpha value is tan inverse 4 by 3. So this is the normal form of the given equation. As it is very important concept, let us practice one more bit from the exercise, that is third bit. The given equation in general form, root 3x plus y is equal to 4. The first one, slope intercept form, వాలు అంతరఖండ రూపం, slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So we have to convert the given equation into this form. So left side y, keep left side y as it is, and bring 3x right side, that becomes minus 3x, and 4 is already there left side. Now this is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, where m value, the slope is minus root 3 and the c value is 4. So this is slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. Now we have to convert this into intercept form, antarakanda rupam. Intercept form. What is intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this is intercept form. We have to convert the given equation into this form. Now let us write the given equation as root 3x plus y, root 3x plus y is equal to 4. So in intercept form, right side value is 1. So to make right side value 1, we have to divide the entire equation by 4. So by dividing the entire equation by 4, right side value becomes 1. And this can be rearranging x by 4 by root 3. So x by 4 by root 3 and y by 4 is equal to 1. Now it is in this in the form of intercept, where the a value x intercept is 4 by root 3 and y intercept b is 4. Now this is intercept form. Now we have to convert it into normal form. We have to convert it in normal form. Now the third one, is normal form. Avilamba Rupam. What is normal form? X cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to P. So now let us take down the given equation as root 3x plus y, root 3x plus y is equal to 4. So comparing this with the general equation ax plus by plus c, here a value is root 3, b value y coefficient is 1. So we have to divide the entire equation by under root a square plus b square value. A root 3, so root 3 square. B is 1. So now root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1. That is root 4, the value is 2. So R value is 2. So dividing the equation by 2. Now dividing equation 1 by the R value, that is a square plus b square value 2. So we get root 3 x by 2 and y by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. Now comparing this with the given normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, comparing this with the given standard form. So this is x, comparing this with x cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to p, where cos alpha value is root 3 by 2 and sin alpha value is 1 by 2. So x పక్కన ఉండేది cos alpha, y పక్కన ఉండేది 1 by 2 sin alpha. So from this we can calculate the angle. Tan alpha is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha, that is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 will get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 3 and the p value is 2. So alpha, the angle is 30 degrees, that is 5 by 6. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 60 root 3, tan 30 1 by root 3. The angle is 30 degrees or 5 by 6. Now substituting the value, now the given equation in normal form, x cos theta cos alpha angle is 5 by 6 plus y sin pi by 6 is equal to 2 is the normal form. So we can calculate, we can convert an intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and normal form, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, is equal to p. So this is how we convert a given general equation into different forms.